Hey guys, Chad Livingston here from A Better Edge. So I'm looking out at my property today and I'm looking at the deciduous trees that we purchased roughly a year ago. And the guys over at Colorado Tree Farm Nursery said, make sure that you winter water these trees. It's so important. I was also reading a little bit about how important it is to water evergreens, that they're very susceptible to winter dry out. And yes, we do get snow, but Colorado Springs, the snow dries so fast, and a lot of people on social media are talking right now about how dry it is and the need for winter watering. It takes 10 inches of snow to equal 1 inch of rain, and our plants need a lot more than that. I was looking at a quote from Timberline Landscaping, and they were saying, simply the snowfall is not going to provide you with the necessary water to make sure that your plants are not getting frost damage or winter dry out and die back. So when we have days like today, when it's over 40 and it's beautiful, we definitely should be winter watering. You want to try to get water on your plants at least twice a month if possible. You can do that with your lawn as well. You could set up a portable sprinkler and you could water the lawn. You could also run the hose around to your different plants if you have the time. One thing that you should try to do in the winter is to let the water soak down into the roots rather than let it run off. So you don't want to just add a whole lot of water all at once because it's going to run away from the plant. You want to soak that plant for a little bit, then go and do something else for a while, come back and soak that plant again. Winter watering, if you don't have the time, is a service that we offer. Our main gig is A Better Edge, but in the wintertime, we're looking for things to do. So we have the capacity, we have, the trailers and the water tanks and all of that already set up for what we do during the summer. So we're more than happy to come and help you out with winter watering. If that's something that you do not want to take care of yourself, just reach out. You can call us 233-3343, or you can jump on the form here and fill that out, and we'll reach out to you if you like. But it's important that they get water, whether you have us do it or whether you have somebody else do it or you do it yourself. If you don't want to experience that dieback from the wintertime and replanting in the spring, then make sure you get out there and get it done. Hope you guys are having an awesome day and be well.